Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can convert your PDFs into shareable quizzes like this. Okay, so as you can see, I have created multiple quizzes with the help of AI by uploading some documents, study materials. So you can also create similar quizzes. So you can see I have created this quiz, and if you see the questions here, the questions quality, complexity, each and everything is as I am expecting. Okay, so to create a quiz, you can click on create a quiz button here, but before that you need to either sign up as a teacher or sign up as a student. So right now, if I show you, I am on landing page here, and you can see teacher dashboard look like this and student dashboard look like this. So if you're a teacher, if you want to create different quizzes, publish them, assign to different types of classes and share with your students, you obviously need to sign up as a teacher. So to sign up as a teacher, you can just click on login button or sign up button that would show here, but right now as I'm logged in already, so I will click on teacher dashboard here. Once you have logged in, you are on teacher dashboard. Now you just need to click on create quiz button here, and you can upload your study materials and you can create a quiz. So I will select some PDFs here because this video covers how you can convert your PDFs into different types of like quizzes. Okay, so I will obviously select one PDF from here. Okay, you can select as many as you need, but right now I think only one is enough for me, so I will select that PDF here. Okay, I selected the PDF. Now I can click on next button here, and I can define how many questions I need. So for now I just need 10 questions. I can select the complexity, like how much hard it should be. Okay, I can define pass percentage, like what is the pass percentage for the students to be marked as passed or failed. Okay, so I can set test duration, like how much time you want to give to the students for this test. So I think 10 minutes are enough for the 10 questions here. I can assign different types of points, like 5 points per each question or 10 points per each question. So that would be obviously 15 points overall, because there are 10 questions, so 10 multiplies 5 is equal to 50. After that, you can assign different types of instructions to AI, but right now my PDF is clear. There is no needed any type of instructions, so AI can automatically select best topics to generate quiz from my PDF. After that, I can define any language if I need, but right now my PDF is in English, so it would automatically select that. I can set the deadline here, like if I want 4 days to assign to this quiz, so 4 days deadline is enough. Okay, after that, if you want students to avoid cheating, you can click on this option. This means each student gets different types of question in different order. That reduces cheating. Okay, so this is automatically selected. This means after submission, when student takes quiz, after submission he will get all of the answers after submission. So I can click on review. I can review all of the things like documents, questions, passing marks, each and everything. If anything is changed, if anything needs changes, you can click on back and you can do changes. But right now everything is okay. I can click on generate quiz. Now it will take few seconds and it will generate a quiz for me. So let's wait for it. As you can see, quiz has been generated. You can see different types of questions here. You can click on any type of question to edit it. You can also delete a question. You can edit question text. You can, if you think that this question answer is not correct, you can change it, and you can select on save changes. You can also add explanation. Okay, but that is optional because on the student side, AI will generate automatically all of the explanations. So if you are like if you are satisfied, you can just click on publish button here, and this quiz. So now I have created a quiz. Okay, quiz has been created. I can export Excel or export PDF, but the most important, I need to click on publish quiz to publish it. Okay, so I will select any random cover image. After that, I will just click on publish button. I already didn't design any type of cover image, so I will select any random image here. I will select this image, but you can also generate cover image with the AI. So if your plan is upgraded, you can click on generate cover image, and it will help you to generate automatically a new cover image with the help of an AI. Okay, you can change the category, but right now this is related to science, so I will select science. you can add it to public library. But if this is private, you can disable it. Public library quizzes will be showing here. So once you have clicked on publish quiz, now your quiz will be published and you would be able to assign this quiz to any of your classes. If you don't have any classes, you can create a new class. So once your quiz has been published, you can see the status here. Okay, it is published right now. You can see share and assign button here, but before that, below that, you can see submission, average score, pass rate, each and everything is showing there. You can also see public library stats. If you still want to edit something, you can click on edit test and you can easily edit all of the things. Okay, and below that you can see all of the assigned classes, but right now I don't have any class because I just created a new quiz, so I need it to assign to a specific class. So the first step is to create a quiz. You have created a quiz. Now you can see all of the submissions here, like questions, enrolled students. You can share a QR code like question and performance and submission. But the first step has been completed, that was create a quiz. Now the second step is to create a class. Okay, if you don't have any class, you can create a new class. To see if you have any class, you can click on my groups. If you don't have any class, you can click on create a new class and you can show it here. So suppose that I want to create a new class like kinetic class A. Okay, so I can just click it. It would create a new class for me, and now I can add more students. So the next step is, the third step is to add students. So you have two options. Either you can click on this add button and you can type their emails, make sure the emails are the same that they use on this website. Okay, so suppose that if I want to add some students, I can add like this. Okay, you can type comma separated values. Okay, like ali@gmail.com. so you can add multiple emails in this text box, and you can click on add student, and if they don't have any account on this website, they would be pending registration. So when they will register, they will be automatically assigned. So this is the first way to add students into the class. The second way, you can click on invite button and you can directly share the link. You can directly share the QR code or share the Telegram or WhatsApp or any type of social media messages on your social profiles. So whenever you will share the link or QR code or these messages, they will be automatically use that link to join to your group. Okay, and you will see all of the students in this variant. Okay, in this pop-up or model, you can say. So you can also share this invite code so they can invite in their dashboard. So this is the how you can create a class and how you can add students into your class, or how you can invite students to your class so they can be joined in your class. So now if they're already in your class or they joined your class, now the third step is to assign a quiz to the class. So you can see the assign button here. Okay, there are multiple ways you can assign the quiz to this class. You can click on assign button. You can click new generated quiz that you just created. Okay, I can click on assign button, and now quiz has been assigned to that class, and you can copy the quiz link and you can share with student. So if I open this link, you can see this has test ID. Okay, and this has group ID as well. So this particular test is assigned to this specific class. Okay, that is why it has unique link. So that is how you create class, you add students, you assign the test to the student. Now the other way, you can click on all test and you can assign the quiz to a particular class from here as well. Okay, if it is already assigned, you will see the copy link button, or you can just click on assign button and you can get the copy link. Okay, and the other way could be, you can just click on this button. Okay, you can open the quiz and you can go to share and QR code. You can select a specific class here and you can see all of the QR codes, links, telegrams and WhatsApp messages. So if you create a class, you add students to a class. Like if you created this class, you add student to this class by adding some students here, or by just inviting it, or you can directly share your test link. Because if you share this test link to any of the student, they first of all need to join your class where you assign this quiz. Okay, so obviously they first need to join your class and then they will be enrolled in this specific quiz. Okay, so either you can share the group link or you can just share your test link. That is more than enough. Okay, so once you have invited your students with a quiz link, okay, or you can also use this button as well. So once you have assigned your quiz to a class, you have invited your students to a quiz or class, now you can see all of the data like submissions, average score, pass rate for that specific test. And if you have assigned the same quiz to multiple classes, you can see specific quiz submissions directly by using this filter. You can see questions here, you can export Excel, you can export PDF, or you can print question as well. And you can also see how many students are enrolled in this class or in this quiz, and you can see share and QR code. Okay, and these are your public library states, and each and everything is there. So this is how you can see your complete dashboard, like each and everything, like classes, students, and tests, and recent enrollments, recent submissions. So each and everything is there. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will be covering how you can convert other types of things like web pages or images or audio to shareable quizzes like this. So this is complete teacher dashboard, how you can manage your teacher dashboard. And in the next video, I will be covering different types of topics. I hope you like this. Have a good day. Thank you.